It can be a somewhat rewarding process to write paychecks. It's probably not quite so rewarding or quite so fun to pay your tax liabilities, but you know what? We got to do what we got to do. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done by moving up to Employees, coming down where it says Payroll Taxes and Liabilities. And of course I could look at a variety of reports and things here, but all I want to do right now is pay my payroll liabilities. Screen pops up because it needs to know for what period that we want to do this. Now again, you may pay weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly. I don't know what the actual answer is. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose a date for myself. Let's say that we want to pay for the second quarter. That would be April through June. A shorter way to do that could have been to use a drop-down list, which actually has this week, this month, last week, last quarter, those types of things. Either way works, then you can say OK. What we're currently seeing is that we don't have any payroll liabilities, and sometimes this kind of panics people and they say, wait a second, why not? We should have something. Well, there are a couple of reasons why. First of all, let me change this date, because if you recall, our only paycheck that we've written in this particular file was written for the end of July, the 1st of August. So let me go ahead and do an August end date. In this case, we don't see any either. Why? Because when we created our check for Mark, Mark didn't have enough income to withhold any taxes. So I just want to do this as a quick example for you. What you'll normally see is an ability to select all of the different taxing agencies that you have. Go to the left column, put a check mark in there for the ones you want to pay. Make sure that you have the correct check date. And then over on the right-hand side, you click Create. QuickBooks will simply create a check for you, and then you can print it out either at the current time or as batch processing like we've done with checks before. This is really no different than any other check that you're writing. The only difference is this will be automatically populated with all of the deductions you've made. Federal will go to the federal agency, state will go to the state agency, and if you have any locals, it will go to the local agency as well. And it will also combine things. So I have two different types of withholdings that have to go to the Idaho State Tax Commission. Those are both going to be put together, and I can write one check. It really is that simple. Another option that you will have is to do your payroll liabilities report right from the screen, which will show you what all of those liabilities were. You can keep that as a hard copy or even email it or forward it to somebody else. Since I don't have any liabilities to pay, I'm going to go ahead and click Cancel and get back to my main screen and move on to my next topic for the day.